All right, guys. So back with the two-wheel drive. I actually had my dad come out and look at it last night. Because he's like, well, how do you know it's a rocker arm? So he came out and he pushed down on it, and so turns out that the lifter went bad again already. The same one I just did. So I'm not really sure if it was just a defect or what exactly happened. And it doesn't help that the guy I traded it to, my family friend, he's really bad at changing oil. Like, I told him to change it at 203,000 miles, and it is at, let's just check here, 205,446. So he went over 2,000 miles on the oil change. And so that doesn't help because he realized that maybe I should change the oil when it was 2 quarts low and the low engine oil light came on. So that definitely wasn't good for it. So what I am going to do for now is I'm just going to take it apart. I ordered a lifter, but we've been so busy at work this week that I didn't order it till like 3:30, and O'Reilly's, one of the parts suppliers that we get our stuff from, they weren't able to have a driver go get it, so I gotta wait till tomorrow, which is no big deal. Tomorrow's Friday, so it still works, and I'll just end up getting it tomorrow. But I had a head gasket and I brought home my exhaust manifold. Just gonna reuse the intake manifold gaskets and the valve cover gasket, and I should be good for now. I'm just gonna slap another lifter in it, defect that one out, and I'll just be down, $100 in gaskets. But it's just a temporary fix to get me to winter, because guys, I have some plans for this thing. I'm actually gonna probably order some parts real soon here. And guys, this is gonna be a fun build, let me tell you. And the reason why I'm doing a temporary fix, and all you guys are like, oh, it's just gonna fail again, don't do that. Well, I'm doing it so I can drive it for now and get me by, and then in the winter when I have time, it's only a two-wheel drive, I'm not gonna drive in the winter and anything like that. I got a perfectly good winter beater outside. In the winter, I'll pull the motor out and have the motor built, like all forged, like everything, like fully rebuilt, and everything. So you guys will learn more about that as the time comes, and later on. But for now, I got some things I want to do to it, and I just want to have fun with it for now. Well, I don't want to wait till spring, and I don't have time for this. I mean, it may seem like I do. I mean, everyone has time. It's just how you use it, but I don't have time to pull the motor out, get it all remachined, put a couple grand into it, have it all built. Gotta go take it to the dyno and find someone to tune it, and then put it back in there. By that time it's already winter and I'm waiting till spring anyways. So for now, I'm gonna do what I want to do, and that way I can still drive it, and it's not just sitting out there. This thing is really clean, and I want to keep it that way. Like, this thing has, I'll show you guys later on, but like right down here, like, clean. And there's a tiny bit of surface rust right there, but I'm not worried about that, guys. I want to repaint this whole truck anyways, fix everything up, all the little dings, whatnot. Like, this is scratched really bad, and I'm gonna try my best to make it look really nice. But in the meantime, okay, that was someone just racing by. But anyways, in the meantime, like that'll be not until spring when I do that stuff, or maybe prep it over the winter. And anyways, I gotta wait till spring for it to get warm again to paint it for going that route. And I'll have this all getting worked on. But yeah, I got some big plans. But for now, I just need something that'll get me by so I can have fun with it. And then in the spring, it'll be coming together, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So that's why, that's the problem. And just doing a temporary fix to get me by for now. So tomorrow, you guys will see the whole teardown of what I did the first time. Gotta take the exhaust manifold off, gotta take the intake manifold off, gotta take the air cleaner here off, and or air intake, and pull the head. I'm just gonna reuse the head bolts for now. I probably will upgrade the head studs when the motor gets taken apart again, but it is what it is. So that's just how I'm gonna go about it, and that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. And in the meantime, while I won't have my part until tomorrow, I'm gonna take out my bumpers for my other truck, and I'll use my time tonight and lay it out right here and start welding them together. So that truck can get painted real soon, because I got the paint, I got the hood right here collecting dust, getting all dirty. Been staying safe though, been staying safe. And then I'm still waiting on 2 things to come for the truck. Should be here either tomorrow or Saturday, hopefully tomorrow. And then just the lights, but I got lights. The headlights are in it, and then I got tail lights sitting in the back. And yeah, that's about it. So for the truck, I'm just gonna color match a bunch of things right now. And then again, like in the winter or the spring, like that truck's getting fully repainted in the spring too. This winter I'm probably gonna do a bunch of body work. There is a little bit of rust I gotta fix on that blue one, which I think I showed you guys in the reveal video. This truck is like clean. Like this truck's cleaner than my blue one. And that's also why I wanted it back. And I wanted a 2-wheel drive for the build that I have in mind for it, that I am going to be doing. So anyways, back to the blue truck. I want to get that painted by the end of the month here. And then, like I was saying, in the winter, I'll sand down the whole rest of it and paint the rest of the truck and fix some stuff, Fortunately, probably gonna have to end up putting some patch panels in her, but it's fine because I'm not gonna drive it in the winter. That thing's not gonna see snow or salt. Might see a little bit of snow, but I'm gonna try and keep her indoors. So yeah, that'll be interesting this winter, having 2 builds going on. And I don't know, the winter just kind of sucks because it's too cold to paint. Can't really do much, and just basically gotta wait it out. But anyways, well, those 2 trucks are basically on hold as winter projects. I got my maroon one out there, as you guys remember. It's sitting outside right now, and that one I am actually gonna be fixing up for the winter. And I also have a green cat eye that I will be doing first. And I'm going to use the green cat eye as a learning experience, and then do the maroon truck, and then move on to these trucks. So I don't know, just trying to learn and figure things out. So that's basically the gist of it. But I'm gonna get these pulled out and get the welder brought out and see if I can't get them done tonight. I'm gonna imagine it's gonna be pretty time consuming, but you know, we'll see.